lipids that can be then converted to biodiesel. These characteristics here listed have raised the interest in microalgae application, and particularly over the past 2 decades, toward the production of biofuels from microalgae. However, despite this interest, it has been unequivocally shown that the cost of only microalgae biomass production, I mean without refining, is today between 5
gray zone, because if to introduce the product on the market, for example in Portugal, you just have to send a form to the Ministry of Agriculture to inform that from that day on we will put this product on the market, just like that. And so if it's almost that you have a product that is considered as foods, but you do the analogy to the traditional cobalt.
So the first guy also, we kill the productivity of the polypyrrole, and after here we have the catalytic current, but it's higher for cobalt than for nickel. And here we cannot see very clearly the electroactivity of the cobalt, so we have to make a zoom because the intensity is usually lower for cobalt than for nickel. So this is it's the same as found by the group of.
So this was associated positively with cardiovascular accidents, the bad cholesterol, and this was inversely associated, it was protected. Now, what was shown in recent years was that we can fraction many more subgroups of this main.
We wanted to be more rationalized, if you want. We had a mixture of ligand at the surface, and this is what probably caused this funny thermal behavior. So we wanted to have to change the nature of a gold, and we made gold nanoparticles surrounded by oleuramine, which are very easily displaced by thiol-containing ligands. And we were
It is better that the graduates, our graduates, will learn all over their lives. Then, of course, it is very important. I like very much this last idea. It is not my idea. It is from a report. I'll tell you much more later about this report. Graduates who not only can tolerate change, but who can drive change. This is very important. This has a big link with innovation. So,
lightweight random polarization state is stored as a hologram, polarization hologram, the RP. In this description, the vector-based conjugation readout can recover the original polarization state by using the same mask using encryption.
If you do know that the conjugation lengths matter, why do you also focus on small organic molecules? And that's a specific of the synthesis of a polymer, as at times doesn't allow you the synthesis of a material that is reproducible. That means every single time when you make that conjugated polymer, you would desire to generate the same molecular weight, the same polydispersity index. Unfortunately, many times that